Good PM. Ngayon po ay Sunday, November 12, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Sunday, November 12, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong November 12, 2023 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Sunday, November 12, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 117 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 123 million pesos for November 12, 2023, Sunday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Sunday, November 12, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.